Hello, I am Surya Hudar. Today, I will be presenting to you my project, which is called the COVID Safe Doorbell. In my project, you can, without touching anything, signal to somebody that you're at their door. In this project, I have used an ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino Uno board, a buzzer, and jumper cables. This is the code that I have used. And to see how it works, we simply press start simulation. And as you can see, this is 164 centimeters ahead. This object is 164 centimeters ahead of the ultrasonic sensor. Now that it's 20 centimeters, less than 20 centimeters in front of the ultrasonic sensor, you can see that the buzzer is making a sound. But as soon as I move it outside those 20 centimeters, again, it stops making sound. And here we can even see how many centimeters in front the object is from the ultrasonic sensor. For example, look at the serial monitor. When I bring it here, it says 14. When I take it far away, it makes it 178. Thank you. Have a nice day.